livestock, dairy, and horse enthusiasts, mark your calendar. The 7th Annual Southwest Animal Science Challenge is a day-long 4-H event at the Wabasso Public School. The day consists of Project Bowl competition, hands-on skill-a-thon stations, and project workshops led by industry-leading professionals. The day is open to participants of all ages with 2 Project Bowl divisions: juniors, grades 3 through 8, and seniors, grades 9 and over. What is the Southwest Animal Science Challenge? Well, first of all, it's a Project Bowl, often referred to as a Knowledge Bowl. This challenges teams of 3 to 6 youth on their knowledge of horse, general livestock, and dairy. We also have skill-a-thon stations. These are hands-on mini learning stations that are fun introductions designed to test your knowledge on industry topics. The stations are not scored, and you can work through them at your own pace. Then, when you're done, you compare your answers with the station facilitator. And finally, the educational workshops are informative and hands-on sessions that focus on techniques and skills in a particular field. And they help you discover which career opportunities are available. So please join us on Saturday, February 17th at the Wabasso High School for the 2018 Southwest Animal Science Challenge. The $10 registration fee per 4-H'er is due February 2nd, and registration can be completed online. For more information, contact the Murray County Extension Office at 507-836-6927.